everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, with a quick crypto update for this evening. Going to cover Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash 4-hour chart finally got the pop-up, closed pretty much on our target, the 341.90. The exact close was 342.37. It did pop higher but couldn't sustain it. Again, we'll take a look at the daily chart, but it's now pulled back to the prior breakout zone. The prior breakout zone is 333.30 area. As long as it remains from this 333.30 down to possibly the 328.50 area, which is essentially the bottom of the rotation zone and the 50 exponential moving average, we'll be watching for another turn up, retargeting the 342 area, then looking for 351, 355.60 to 356.90, and then 360.24. Looking at the daily, still, let me zoom in here a bit. Still can't get above, well, this is a tough zoom today. There we go. Still can't get above the rotation zone. So just keep that in mind. It has not been able to close above this 342 level on the daily basis. So that's why we're keeping the targets conservative. Switching over to Bitcoin US dollar, you can see it did trigger with the close above the rotation zone, triggered the double, pulled back slightly, giving for that entry we talked about, and then hitting, closing pretty much on the first target exactly, which we use for stop reduction most of the time, then the 58.28.35 level, and then the 58.94.50 level, and then reaching up to the highs of 59.66.60. So that is fully done. We're off that now. Now we're watching for this to pull back. Again, we're watching for a pullback to about 58.07 to 57.63 area into the rotation zone, and then a turn back up. Also, the area about 57.65 is the prior breakout zone now. So on a turn back up, we'll be watching for a retest that 59.66 level, then 59.96, which is going to be essentially your 6,000 level, very psychologically key level. So there might be some resistance there to watch for and some selling pressure coming in. 60.37 is the next projected gain level higher, and 61.08, I just make that 6100 at this point, then 61.49 are the key levels higher. So that's what we're watching for. Just take a look at the daily. Nothing really else to report. We did catch on the bottom of the rotation zone. And now just looking to see how it also reacts to the end of this clear path move on the daily, which is essentially 6,000. Finally, switching over to Ethereum, we were watching for a double bottom, now turned into a triple bottom, so the targets have changed on that. Targets the upside, we need to close above, I'm going to call it 300, even though it's 299.56. I don't want to close around above the psychological 300 level, which is also where the declining 50 period exponential moving average is. Targets are 303.12, 304.90, and 306.70 area. To the downside, if we get a close below 292, we're going to be looking for 288.86, 287.08, and 285.30. The first target is generally the stop reduction target, should you be using stops or trading them long or short. If you don't short these, again, these could be areas to watch for reversal trades, especially once it completes the full pattern. The full level down here right around 285 is just below the prior breakout zone at 286. So that's what you're going to be watching for in Ethereum. Checking in on the daily chart, still we have the declining rotation zone, so there's a lot of overhead resistance. And a triple bottom is slightly more favors a continuation pattern than a reversal pattern. Just keep that in mind. When we say continuation pattern, this would be, if it can close, it should continue lower. But we are waiting before we get the close below the 292 level before looking for these targets. So we have for you on our Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Ethereum update for this evening. We will talk to everyone soon. Again, thanks for all your comments. Bye for now.